Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes at home. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need flour, baking powder, sugar, salt, eggs, milk, and butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Ensure your milk and eggs are at room temperature. This helps create a smoother, more consistent batter. It's a small step that makes a big difference in your final pancake texture. Now let's mix the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, lightly beat the eggs, then stir in the milk and melted butter. Gently combine the wet and dry ingredients. Mix until just incorporated. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so be gentle for a fluffy result.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. And speaking of keeping things clean, especially after a delicious pancake breakfast, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the hot surface. Cook until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, flip them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy the aroma. Once cooked, serve your delicious pancakes immediately. They are fantastic with classic maple syrup and fresh berries. Don't be afraid to get creative with toppings. Consider adding whipped cream, chocolate chips, or a sprinkle of nuts for extra indulgence. If you're making a big batch, keep the finished pancakes warm in a low oven while you cook the rest. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.